trying to start ripping the VZ apart. Well, not completely ripping apart, but working these spots here. Trying at least. Fix these. I've pulled the badge off. Dent here. Another dent up there. There's a couple of other little minor ones as well. Pull out my spot welder. Well, not the spot welder, the dent puller and stud welder. Try and pull them out a little bit. And epoxy it. Looks like I'm going to have to take this whole thing back down to bare metal anyways, because it looks like there is a bit of filler in there. So I've got these all set up in here. I'll start ripping out these things here so I can pull the tail lights out as well. Take this little lip off. Oh.
Talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easy as
All inside this tray is going to get wrapped aligned. So that's why I took the liner out. Make sure you label everything, because you don't want to bloody lose shit and be left with screws. I'm going to get those dents out first and then carry on with the rest of that. Ready for stud welders. I can try and get these dents out. So the music I'm playing is no copyright sounds, NCS, 12-hour chill gaming mix, whatever. I'd rather have something playing in the background than just listening to nothing. But I can't get done for this, so it's good. I've just been a little bit of over excessive use. Put a bit of excess on there. I'll circle that.
Searching for the moments I'm a little less 25, a little less 25, a little less. Searching for the moments I'm a little less 20, a little less 20.
I'm going to weld up, and I'll do up a stencil for the badge itself. I've already got stencils for the SF logos. When I do get to priming this and blocking it out, I'm going to block this section and that section at the exact same time, so I will be going like that, so that it will be dead even. It'll be nice and flush, so there won't be any distortion in the paint from that panel and that panel. Right, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dents in there. Plus those other 3 I've already pulled out down here. I feel there's another one down here somewhere. That one there I can't get any further. That's just going to have to do for that one. I could try a little bit more on that, so... So for me to get down here and in this corner down there, I'm going to have to take it off, and also up in the top corners I'm going to have to physically take it off to get those areas, so I don't want to go busting up any of this just yet. Just down here, I'm going to make a cutout here so I can have the other part of the exhaust come out here, like the HSV's Marloes. So I'm going to have the exhaust here and over there as well. Over there. I'll have that over this side. So there will be a part 2 to this one. See you when I come back.